Ben's bright idea. Ben woke up one morning and realized with a shock he had lost his favorite toy. Ben went to his dad and asked, "Dad, I lost my toy car. Will you get me a new one?" Ben's father sighed a heavy sigh and said, "Ben, you are responsible for taking care of your toys. I think you should count the money in your piggy bank and buy a new car yourself." Ben thought about this for a moment. He knew he had money saved from his last birthday. He decided to count it. In his piggy bank, Ben had $6, 2 quarters, 2 dimes, and 4 pennies. He knew that a quarter was worth 25 cents, a dime worth 10 cents, and a penny worth 1 cent. Altogether, he had $6.74. Ben was frantic. The car he wanted was $10.50. He didn't have enough money. That was when Ben had a bright idea. His friend Boyd was saving to buy a car as well. Maybe he and Boyd could buy a car together and share it. Yes! Ben went across town to Boyd's house. Boyd thought the idea was great. He counted what was in his piggy bank, and he had $3, 3 quarters, and 1 penny. Together, that was $3.76. The boys knew that $6.74 and $3.76 equaled $10.50. That was enough to buy the car. They raced to the toy store and together purchased the toy car. It was a team effort. This story, Ben's Bright Idea, was by Denise Collins and Karen Cothran. California Common Core State Standard 2.MD.8. Solve word problems involving dollar bills, quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies using dollar and cent symbols appropriately.